all! Deep in the misty forests of Asia, a bird of breathtaking beauty moves silently, draped in colors that seem almost otherworldly, the Lady Amherst's pheasant. The Lady Amherst's pheasant is one of the most fascinating and visually striking birds in the world. With its iridescent green and blue feathers, a gracefully patterned cape, and an exceptionally long white and black tail, this bird is a true marvel of wildlife beauty. Named after Lady Sarah Amherst, who introduced the species to Europe in the 19th century, this exotic pheasant is native to the dense bamboo forests and mountainous regions of southwestern China and Myanmar. Although closely related to the golden pheasant, the Lady Amherst's pheasant has a distinctly elegant and refined appearance, making it a favorite among bird enthusiasts and photographers.